Oh my God, dude. I actually did not think that was possible to drive a van like this. I mean, this is a camper. Hey everybody, welcome back to Vanland. Another very exciting day because today is the day when we're getting our first look at the new Evictus suspension kits. This is a kit that I've been hearing about for a year and been trying to get my hands on. So in today's video, we've got Tony here from Evictus. We're gonna tell you guys all about the features of the suspension kit. We're doing an install right now, and then we're gonna also do a test drive and get our reaction. So here we go, let's rock. Woo! First thing, I have been hearing about the Evictus suspension kit ever since it was demoed last year at Back to Baja.
Yep. This is insanity. Unbelievable!
Oh my God, this is so cool!
That's sick. That's so badass. This is amazing.
People came back and said, you have to check out this new suspension kit. So I've been trying to hit you guys up for a while to see if we could get our hands on one. Why don't you tell the audience what is the difference with the Evictus suspension kit and why are people going to be wanting it as bad as I did?
Great questions and thanks for your patience. The big thing is we wanted an ultra high performance on-road and off-road suspension kit, no compromises. So we know it's more expensive, but we really wanted to make sure we delivered the value. The kit will last the life of the van, a lot higher performance, a lot less body roll in windy situations, canyons, really designed around the way people use their vans.
Which is how? Like, how do you feel like people are really using these vans once they outfit them?
Great question. So you buy these vans to get to the great spots. Typically that means you're going long distances on interstates or highways, windy canyons, mountain roads. So you need to have firm control and we want to minimize driver fatigue. And that was the main objective with this kit. Then once you get to the end of the pavement, you've got some kind of unmaintained road or poorly maintained road, like a forest road or a BLM road. We don't want to shake the driver or the van apart on those roads. And sometimes you just really want to send it, right? You want to go and you want to hit it. You don't want to have to compromise and go slow and slow down. So we built that in and it's just a great time.
Right. Okay, so starting from like the factory suspension kit, which you get when the van's empty, most people do get a suspension upgrade because frankly, it's not fun to drive these vans without some sort of upgrade. What is the difference that takes the Evictus suspension kit to the next level?
So the big thing is a lot of those kits are designed to be an improvement of the factory ride. That wasn't enough for us. We wanted the ride quality to match the build quality of the Mercedes and the build quality of high quality builders like yourself. So we didn't use mass-produced parts. We didn't use mass production materials. Every kit is almost a tailored kit, but we've spent a lot of time since Baja fine-tuning those things to make sure that the ride is stiff enough yet soft enough and that it can be compliant and fun to drive in all those different venues.
Okay. Right on. So yeah, I totally agree. The type of driving most people do is going to be on the road because that's where people spend 90% of their time. So it has to perform there. But then when you get off-road, let's talk quickly about like big potholes and washboards. Those are the two things I experience. What can we expect?
So what you can expect is instead of using clickers or having to get out and adjust or remember how to use those or risking mechanical failure with those things, we have two styles of shocks with two pistons working together in conjunction. So one is designed for that big off-road and the other is for that on-road experience. So you can do those big hits or you can get that nice firm crisp feel that you're looking for out of like a sports car.
Right. Back at the shop, we're doing an installation today, actually on my van, so I'm super excited. I'm going to be able to drive around with the new suspension kit. We pulled out some of the components. You can tell right away with the quality that every care has been taken to make sure it's the highest quality possible. Can you tell us like a little bit about how it was designed and why it was designed the way it is?
We're super fortunate to have 4x4 Project as the designers and engineers and producers of that kit.
Okay.
They're super passionate. They make a couple trips out every year to come out and do some hardcore testing with us. We beat it down as hard as we can, harder than we think other people will use it, make sure nothing fails. Anytime there's been any kind of needed adjustment or failure, we've gone back and re-engineered those parts. They have the support and the ability to pull from the Bilstein library of technology and components, but that's not even enough for them, so they've taken it a step further. So again, the pricing may seem high, but that's because it is basically a kit tailored for these built-out vans running near the maximum weight.
Right. And you mentioned the kit and wanting it to last the life of the van. Is it adjustable? Is it rebuildable? What can we expect in terms of being able to maintenance the kit going forward for our clients?
Right, so a big part is having great partners like yourselves that know and understand the kits. So these kits are intended to have a 20 to 30,000 mile checkup similar to like a B service. And what we want to do is just make sure nothing's leaking. And if any of the worn parts are worn out, we don't have to send the kits back to the manufacturer. You can rebuild it in your shop.
Okay.
In fact, they're simple enough to where a lot of mechanically inclined people could do it themselves. But again, we want to make sure that we respect that warranty and they get that great experiences from partners like yourself. The components, again, they're one of the criteria in putting the kits together was that it be serviceable and last the life of the van. The customers obviously understand quality when they're buying a Sprinter.
Right.
They know that these things can last a 500,000 miles. And again, builders like yourself, the build will hold up as well. So we want to make a complete system, a complete experience that heightens it and gets you what you were wanting and paying for when you initially paid for the van.
Right. So let me ask you this. This happens all the time. Someone will come in, we'll put a suspension kit on, and then they'll go back and do a bunch more work over the coming year. Will the suspension kit, can it be adjusted to carry a heavier load?
It can. So we have a few specific tunes that we've been working on for over a year and a half that work really well. We have a medium kit and a heavy kit. So say you come in and you're right under 9,000 pounds or mid-8s, which is pretty common, that would be a medium kit. If you're at that 9 or 9 plus, we would want to put you in a heavy kit. And if you change over time, a simple rebuild and revalve, we can accommodate that.
So we don't have to completely put on new shocks if the build has changed a little bit.
No major new components. You're simply taking out the internals, changing out the valve stacks, and it's ready to go.
Right on. So thanks for that. Now, I'm sure like with suspension, it's not all about the specs, it's about the experience. So I'm really excited to get in this. Can we take this around and get a feel for what it actually feels like to have the kit on a Sprinter?
Let's do it. Let's go for a rip. Let's see if we can put some air under the tires.
Okay, let's do it.
You ready to rip?
Hell yeah. That is that. Woo! Damn, that is the real deal. There's no doubt that speaks for itself. So I don't know exactly what's going on in those things, but the performance is all there. Like that is just, if you could have designed a van like this to drive, you know, in a way that feels fun and doesn't feel out of control, I think you guys have totally nailed it. Adventure for real. You had mentioned it earlier. It's an experiential thing. I mean, you can talk about the specs and you can look at all the pretty parts. Those are nice. But when you're driving a van, I mean, frankly, it sucks if the suspension is not good. It just feels like it's bumpy. You think your stuff's rattling apart. You certainly would not be hitting anything like that and having confidence. But I noticed the biggest thing, it feels like the front is the biggest difference to me. So when you come up and you land with the front first, it just like absorbs it and like where does all that energy go? Because it's certainly not a hard hit. This changes everything.
That's the point. Put the F back in fun.
Right. We were able to get the full suspension kit installed yesterday. It did take the better part of a day, but we got it all done. During the installation process, I was really happy to see that you only have to make some very minimal modifications to the van to get this kit installed. There's actually only 2 holes on each side that need to be drilled, and everything else goes in the factory mounting locations, which is really important to me. And then I was able to drive my van home last night, and there were 2 things that I noticed that I wanted to share with you guys. The first is the ride on the highway and the vast improvement that I was feeling. So I think a lot of times people consider suspension upgrades to be like an off-road upgrade, but I noticed a big difference on the highway. So the driver fatigue of just getting down the road, is going to be much reduced when you have a suspension kit that kind of floats you down the road as well as the Evictus kit does. And then the second thing I noticed was all the normal bumps that I would hit on the road every day going home. I'm very familiar with them in my current van, or with my setup that I had in my van. And I was just able to hit all of those with a lot more confidence, knowing that I had really a suspension kit that does a much better job with managing this heavy load on every type of different terrain. So I'm feeling like my ride home is never going to be the same again, which is exactly why we do these kind of upgrades, is to get a better experience out of driving your van. So if you guys watch our channel, then you know that we're always trying to bring you new products that are going to add value to your van and your experience in the van. But every once in a while, as we're shooting these videos, a product comes along that really wows us and sets a new standard for the industry. And so when it comes to suspension, you have your stock suspension, you're gonna have to do something with that. You have your standard upgrades, basically every kit that we've ever done. And now you have a new standard that is really kind of in a league of its own. The Evictus suspension kit truly is that much better. But in order to really understand it, this is a product that you have to experience.
All right, I am out here in beautiful Oregon, and I just got to experience driving my van with the new Evictus suspension kit for an entire week on a road trip, which is the best way to test something out because I've been through all sorts of different conditions. So driving up from California, there was definitely a lot of time on the highway, and then I've been hitting some back roads, I've been in the city, and then finally hit some trails, some single track or nearly single track, and that was really bumpy, and I put the van to the test on that as well. So let's start with grading it on the highway driving. As you guys know, we spend most of the time in our vans on the highway, so I was really surprised at the upgrade to the way that it feels on the highway. My best way to describe this is that it feels like the van is kind of floating down the highway. It feels really, really good. I did hit a couple gusts of wind coming through one of the valleys, and the kit responded really well to that. I found myself driving more with just one finger than I normally would on the van. So the highway performance, super important because that's where you normally are. And I think the kit did really shine on the highway for sure. Okay, next, let's talk about driving around in the city. And this is probably my least favorite way to drive a Sprinter van. All the starts and stops and all of the bumps and potholes. So typically in the city, not my favorite place. The kit did really well, especially, changing levels, going from the street to a parking lot where you kind of have to put one tire up and then the other's going to follow. You can really just kind of hit those pretty hard now and go for it. The suspension kit does a really good job of keeping the tires on the ground and absorbing the big hits. Okay, next, let's take a look at how it did on gravel roads like this. This is probably the most fun place to drive with this new suspension kit, especially when you get into some more of the undulating terrain, even washboards. You're not always trying to avoid, you're actually seeking out some fun terrain to enjoy the kit on. So rather than just hoping that the ride will be over and all the bumping will stop and you can get to camp, it's actually fun to drive this kit in more challenging terrain. So like I said, I'm actually feeling like I'm having fun driving my Sprinter again, which for me is a big deal. Finally, let's talk about taking it on narrow trails. I definitely took it on some really rough terrain, lots of rocks, puddles, washouts, ruts, snow across the road, basically everything I could find to just really put it to the test. And the kit did amazing. It just really absorbs all of the hard hits that I am used to, at least driving a Sprinter. Your van's still gonna rattle a little bit, especially on washboards, but that's what's inside the van. The kit does as good of a job as you could possibly hope. I think it actually exceeded my expectations for sure. Basically on all types of terrain, the kit did really well. Now, I will say that it feels like it performs best when you have some speed. So if you're used to just kind of going really slow and trying to protect the van and make sure things don't rattle, it seems like if you get going a little bit faster, so normally on really rough roads, I might drive 10 to 15 miles an hour. I feel like I'm doubling my speed, so 20 to 30 miles an hour. And You get into certain situations where the road's not too rough, but there's some bumps, there's some gravel. It's just a really fun kit to enjoy being off-road. The Sprinters are pretty good off-road. The clearance is awesome. Of course, we all take them to the craziest places we can possibly get to. And I think having a top quality suspension kit like this is a difference maker that I guess I'm feeling like now that I have it, I can never go back. So as you guys can tell, I've been very impressed and I'm a big fan of the new Evictus suspension kit. And I'm not just saying that because I have it on my van and the guys were really nice when they came and showed us how to do the installation. I'm saying it because I really believe it, but don't take my word for it. Find a way to get yourself in a van with the Evictus suspension kit and then push it really hard. Push it harder than you think you should push a Sprinter. And I think you guys will agree that the new Evictus suspension kit is in a league of its own. All right, everyone, so that is it. That is our take on the new Evictus suspension kit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, don't forget to get out there and do stuff like this. I don't often enough, and now that I'm actually here, I'm having an amazing time. And it smells so good because it just rained. Okay, see you guys again next time. Take care.